Mymensingh has witnessed a joyous celebration as Grow Your Reader Foundation had expanded their project Book Garage on August 4, 2023 in collaboration with Youth Planet. The event was a beautiful journey of knowledge and rebuilding, inviting everyone to walk along a peaceful 3-kilometer road and discover the magic of small street libraries. 4 wonderful street libraries were established outside 4 schools, namely Darilla Goyeshpur, Abdul Hamid High School at Purbo Darilla, Azijunnessa Girls School at Goyeshpur, Darilla Government Primary School at Panditpur, and Nandail Road High School at Nandail Road, bringing the world of books closer to the hearts of children and villagers. The school authorities, students, and villagers were present to inaugurate the libraries to celebrate the power of reading. Grow Your Reader Foundation organized a special reading circle at Azijunnessa Girls School premises. 37 enthusiastic adolescent readers actively participated, making the reading experience engaging for children and the communities involved. The selected book for the session was Putu Khela Rajniti Barbie Kahini, which delved into the captivating narrative behind the popularity and strategic political and marketing agenda of the Barbie doll manufacturing company, Mattel. The book also explored Western aggression worldwide, particularly in third world countries where women and young girls are both consumers and product. The reading circle provided a wonderful opportunity for meaningful discussions, developing empathy and understanding among the participants to make them more sensible and aware. With the joy of reading at the core of our project, Grow Your Reader Foundation aims to nurture a reading habit among children and adolescents by providing free access and organizing regular reading circles.
সম্পূরক বই হিসেবে এই বইগুলি পড়তে আগ্রহ হবে
তো লাইব্রেরিগুলো হলো ওপেন থাকলে হলো সবারই আগ্রহ থাকে যে এই মুহূর্তে মানে যে কোনো সময় দিক দিয়ে যাচ্ছে একটা বই হাতে নিল কিংবা পড়লো
Additionally, they redirected the focus from mobile screens to the captivating world of books to make people feel empowered, nurturing a love for reading and promoting better mental development and well-being for all. Youth Planet is a supervisory partner associated with Grow Your Reader Foundation Mymensingh for this project. They will take overall care of these street libraries and assist communities to organize reading circles regularly. Throughout the event, the communication agency Bullseye has worked as a strategic partner with Grow Your Reader Foundation. The project is also supported by Dhaka American Women's Club, DAWC. Grow Your Reader Foundation currently has 23 book garages having 4,000 books in different regions including Dhaka, Tangal, Chittagong and Jamalpur. The main theme of the book garage project is leave your old books behind so people who don't have the means can pick up and discover a new book for free.